In today's video, I'll show you how to add a clickable link to your Facebook post. This is a great way to drive traffic to your website or share important links with others. First, open Facebook on your phone or computer. Now tap on What's on Your Mind to create a new post. Before posting, choose your audience. You can set it to public so everyone can see your post. Next, type your message. This can be anything you want. Now open your browser and copy the link you want to share. Just tap or click on the address bar and select Copy. Go back to Facebook and paste the link into your post. After a few seconds, Facebook will automatically generate a preview of the link. Once the preview appears, you can either keep the full link in your text or delete it. The preview will still stay clickable even if you remove the link from the text. When you're happy with your post, tap Post or Share. And that's it. Your clickable link is now added to your Facebook post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.